High-quality bathrooms, great prices, and unique designs. Our objective is to constantly ensure the timely completion of our projects. Provide a detailed estimate of all project costs. Complete each project on time and within budget. And have experienced supervisors on site, overlooking the renovation process. At H&E Dream Home Builders, our pride in craftsmanship is backed by a comprehensive guarantee for each project we deliver. Every project is meticulously wrapped and safeguarded throughout the entire installation process.
Book your free consultation today with one of our trusted advisors.